Poison chips kami. Chanel. Chanel. Chanel.
Okay, okay.
Rolex. Rolex. Rolex.
Safe.
Tip daw.
Rolex.
Safe.
Safe lang. Nagtitripan lang kita.
Safe.
Safe.
Nahulog.
Boom! Rolex.
Rolex ka ngayon. Pag
Rolex! Rolex!
Pag di mo binili ang Rolex yan. Pag di mo binili ng relo yan, tatampahin ka niya.
Chanel!
Kung nga,
Gaya pa.
kung nga, bigyan mo. Rolex!
Rolex!
Chanel!
Okay na yan. Nahawakan mo na eh.
Wait lang, no, Chanel lang.
Kainis. Makainis.
Ay! Siya na nga lang ba?
Kaya lang,
Chanel!
Safe. Kinabahan.
Kinabahan niya.
Safe.
Sige, kinain na. Pinag-iisipan niya pa eh. Nagsalita ka agad.
Ayan niya.
Rolex!
So mga day, so bakla kwari tapos tomboy yung babae sa gitna tapos gender problem ang katabi namin babaeng isa. For the vlog.
Alisa Rain.
She's a problem gender. Yeah.
Yeah, I have a problem in my gender. Technically, I'm a transgender. So let's go.
So it's your purse, so let's look around.
What do I want to get? Money? Money. Kidding. Look around. Money. Okay.
Pod!
Car! House and lot. Yeah. It's okay. Hey!
Oh!
So, naging lalaki ako sa twist, but I'm not. It's your purse.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that.
Safe.
Safe.
Matambay ka. Okay lang yun.
We are making
Sorry kung naging... Agay!
It's my turn. It's your turn.
Oh my god, a car! A car! You're safe from me.
It's my turn.
Safe. Safe.
Ate, yung hair mo pa.
Safe.
Safe!
Tomboy ka.
Ako na.
Trip ng mga kayo.
You're safe from me.
Shut up!
It's my turn. Oh God. Ew! You have a bug.
Good!
You're going to give me money. Oh, we look the same.
That means
Yeah.
So continue your game.
It's my turn. Wait. I just realized I'm safe from the first two. So technically I win because I picked the safe ones and this is either a house and lot and food. Right? Yeah,
no,
guys.
no. House and lot and a car and house and lot.
Why did you say
O, doon na
this
kayo.
is a house? Now I know the answer. I'm not going to pick anything.
So, iurong niya na to tapos kayo na maglalaro. Go. Continue your game.
So, turn around. Money. You're gonna pick one. Just one.
Good.
Okay.
It's you first.
You're a lesbian, right?
Board!
Ah!
Give me the board. I'm the win.